In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login issues in ChatGPT on your mobile device. First, head over to the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Now scroll through your list of applications until you find the ChatGPT app. Once you've found it, tap on it and select Offload App. Confirm by pressing Offload App again. After that, you'll see the option to reinstall the app. Just tap Reinstall and give it a few seconds to finish. Once that's done, open the ChatGPT app, tap on the Sign Up button and try logging into your account. If it's still not working, go back to the Settings app, scroll down and select General. Then scroll down again and tap VPN and Device Management. Make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. If you see any VPN profiles saved here, disconnect and delete them. Another thing you can try is switching between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. For example, you can turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data, or turn off mobile data and switch back to Wi-Fi. After that, open the ChatGPT app again to see if the issue is fixed. If you're still having trouble, double-check that you're logging in with the correct credentials. One of the easiest methods is to select Continue with Apple or Continue with Google, since this links directly to your account and usually signs you in right away. And that's it. That's how you fix login issues in ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.